Semrush Site Audit is a comprehensive tool that helps website owners and digital marketers identify and fix technical and SEO issues on their website. The Site Audit tool scans a website and provides a detailed report on errors, warnings, and recommendations for improvement. To get started with Semrush Site Audit, users need to create an account on the Semrush platform and set up a new project. They then need to enter their website's URL and select the Site Audit tool from the dashboard. The tool will then crawl the website and generate a report based on the findings. The Site Audit report is divided into several sections, including crawlability, performance, internal linking, and content quality. The crawlability section checks if search engines can crawl and index the website's pages, while the performance section evaluates the website's speed and mobile responsiveness. The internal linking section checks if the website's pages are well linked and easy to navigate. And the content quality section evaluates the website's content for duplication, length, and readability. The report also provides recommendations for fixing the identified issues and improving the website's overall health. One of the key concepts in Semrush Site Audit is the Website Health Score, which is a score out of 100 that indicates the website's overall technical and SEO health. A higher score indicates a healthier website, while a lower score indicates that there are issues that need to be fixed. To improve the website health score, users can follow the recommendations provided in the Site Audit report. For example, if the report identifies broken links, users can fix them by updating the links or removing them altogether. If the report identifies duplicate content, users can rewrite the content to make it unique and engaging. Best practices for using Semrush Site Audit include running regular audits to identify and fix issues before they affect the website's search engine rankings. Users should also prioritize the issues based on their severity and impact on the website's health, and focus on fixing the most critical issues first. By following these steps and best practices, website owners and digital marketers can use Semrush Site Audit to identify and fix technical and SEO issues on their website, improve their website's health score, and increase their online visibility and search engine rankings.